We're at the Hanover Turtle Creek in Dallas, Texas. The Hanover Turtle Creek in Dallas, Texas. We're looking at their B4 model, so let's walk through. This is a beautiful model, and we're gonna walk through it, take a look at it. It's just gorgeous. I mean, look at this kitchen. It's just beautiful. I'm walking through it just so you see it. Look at the lighting. Look at the quartz white countertops. Look at the beautiful bar area that's there. And then just a gorgeous field that's over here. It's just sumptuous. Um, we've got here great views waiting for you of the Turtle Creek area, and then connected right to uptown. You can see uptown views all around you, and even some downtown peeking out there. And just a gorgeous feeling here. It's just very high end, feels great, feels perfect for your high-rise experience here in Dallas. Here's what I want you to do. There's a number below. That's my number. I want you to reach out to me because I want to help you find the best deal here, but also I want to help you find that perfect apartment, the opening that fits you, and just be your expert advisor here. I work hand in hand with the Hanover at Turtle Creek, and so I look forward to helping them, save them time. And I've got all the information that they do, but I'll help you 24/7, and we'll set up a Zoom tour if you need it, a live tour, whatever you need. We can also compare to other high rises that are in the Dallas area if you'd like, and it's always 100% free. So reach out. I can't wait to hear from you. We've got some more videos at the Hanover Turtle Creek coming up, so just stay tuned. Those are playing on this playlist.